I'm in an area right now in Khairpur. This village had about 600 homes. There's only 150 left standing, and even those are damaged. But we are here building homes as quickly as we possibly can. In a few weeks' time, they'll be living in a brand new brick home, and they'll be safe and secure. We are here rebuilding Pakistan, one brick at a time, one home at a time, for one family at a time. This home, which has just been built, and this family, this beautiful family, are just about to move in, as you can see. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
असांखे पक्की छत आहे सुकून ना गुज़ारे सघूं था हाणे शुक्र अदा आहियूं उन इदारे जा असांखे छत पक्की मिली आहे घर पक्को मिलियो आहे ॾाढा ख़ुशि आहियूं साईं
This Ramadan, build a home, build a future, rebuild Pakistan with ILM.